Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wake and unlock your Samsung A06. Make sure battery is above 20% so the process won't stall. Press power and volume down together, hold about 1 second, and release. That exact timing triggers the screenshot. If you prefer gestures, go to Settings, Accessibility, Interaction, enable Palm Swipe or Assistant menu. These give you a one-motion alternative. Once you capture, a thumbnail appears. Once you have the thumbnail, tap it to open the editor where you can crop, draw, or add text. This is where you polish the image. For long articles or chats, use the scroll capture button immediately after the screenshot. Each tap extends the captured area, so keep tapping until you reach the end you need. When finished, hit Save to store the image in Gallery, or use the Share button to send it via apps. These steps keep your workflow smooth and fast. Finish by organizing. Open Gallery, go to Albums, then Screenshots. You can rename or move files into folders for easy retrieval. If capturing fails, reboot the phone first, then check for system updates and re-enable gestures in Settings. These quick fixes resolve most glitches. For features like timed captures or advanced annotations, install a trusted screenshot app from the store. Make sure you test after each change so you know the capture method works reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.